The Spider and the Beehive. Once upon a time, there was a small African village. In it lived a little boy and a tricky spider. The spider thought he was smarter than everyone else. The boy had a special talent. He was able to find the biggest, sweetest fruit in all the jungle. One day the spider was hungry, so he asked the boy,
"Will you take me to the best plums?"
The boy agreed. They walked deep into the jungle to the boy's favorite plum tree. The spider felt greedy. He ate up every single plum and did not share any. The spider rubbed his belly. He said,
"Now, can you take me to the best bananas?"
They walked to the boy's favorite banana tree. The spider ate up every single banana and did not share any. His belly was full, but the spider said,
"Now, can you take me to the best honey?"
The spider and the boy walked farther and farther into the jungle. Then the boy said, "Inside this hive is the most delicious honey in the world." The spider squeezed into a hole in the hive. He ate up all the sweet golden honey and did not share any. The spider was ready for the next treat. But when he tried to climb out of the hive, he was stuck. His belly had become too big.
"Help! Get me out!"
he cried. The boy said, "You have not been very nice to me. Goodbye, greedy spider." Then off he went. The spider yelled and yelled, but nobody could hear his cries. He was too far from the village. For an entire week, the spider sat in that hive.
"Help! Help!"
Then, finally, he squeezed out. And from that day on, the spider always shared his fruit with his friends. Glossary: entire, whole. Golden, the color gold. Hive, a home for honeybees. Talent, a special skill. Village, a very small town.